Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real lives atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes 3rd and the subject is EVS and the lesson name is Flying High. Flying High is a type of a lesson which tells about the ideas of the birds, where they live, what the food they will eat, and what are the different features of like feathers and the sounds which has been created from the birds are covered through this lesson. And the innovation idea used in this lesson is called birds watching. Birds watching is a type of innovation idea which observes about the ability of the impart knowledge about the birds about through the environment and helps the students to understand and observe the activities of the birds. So this is the concept, and this birds watching innovation idea covered through the two activities, that is called building and explaining. Building is a type of a triggering or a warm-upping or energizing activity. That is, we are going to make the students to meditate and make the students to understand the concept which is covered through our lesson, and also make the students to understand the things which are all being connected through this innovation idea. So we are instructing the students that just make them to close the eyes first. Students all been closing their eyes, and after closing their eyes we are instructing the students that just breathe in and breathe out. Observe your flow of your breath, how it is inhaling, how it is holded, how it is exhaling, how the breath is going in, how the breathing is going out. Likewise, we are telling the students to observe their breath for next 2 minutes, and then we are instructing the students just imagine you are a bird. So you can imagine what type of your favorite bird it may be. So you can imagine your favorite bird. You are a bird which is of your own favorite. Just imagine you have a nest. You are flying to your nest, and your house is a type of a nest, and you are living in a nest. So like this, we are telling the students to imagine themselves as a bird. After that, we are telling the students to open their eyes, and we are asking the questions to the students that what bird you are. Some students will say I am a peacock, I am a pigeon, I am a lovebirds, likewise. And we are accepting all the responses, and we are asking another question to the student, that is, where do you live? Your nest was there, right? Where do you live? Some students will say my nest is in mountain, my nest is in tree, likewise students will be telling, and we are accepting all the responses, and we are telling that students that we are going to visit a garden on next day or within a week. So we are going to go to that garden and observe the animals and the plants, and we are going to know what are the food food eaten by the birds, what are the place where animals live and birds live, and how the features of the birds are, how the feathers are, how the sounds are. We are going to observe that. So that is coming to the explaining part. For doing this field trip, this birds observation through this explanation, we are going to do a pre-preparation. That is, we are going to get the proper permission from our school higher officials, from the parents, and also from the garden where we are going to visit. We are going to take the students to the garden, and we are going to split the students into teams. Each team should carry through 3 students. Likewise, we are going to split the entire class into equal teams. We should make sure no student is left out there. Every student shall split into a team, and we are going to give a paper and pen to each team. The students was given 20 minutes of time. The students should round around. They have to travel and visit the entire garden, and they have to observe the plants and animals available in that garden. So how many plants are there, how many animals are there, and everything is to be observed, and how the birds are nesting in that garden is the major important role. The student should observe how many nesters are there, how many birds are there, how many small eggs are there, how the nest structure of that bird is, and how the living place of bird is, how it is living, how it is finding food, how it is eating, and everything is to be observed, and the student should make a note on it. So like this, every students will be getting time, and they are roaming around the garden, and they are observing all the nesters and birds and also few animals in that garden. And after their time, every student is to be gathered. We are going to sit in a shadow of some big tree, and we are going to discuss with the students. Every team was splitted, and every team was given team A, team B, team C, like a name was given. So we are calling team A. Team A should come in front. All the 3 students should come in front of the podium. In front of all the students, they have to tell what are the things they have observed. If the team found a pigeon in front of the fountain, they will be showing that fountain. In that fountain, there was a tree, there's a pigeon. We observed that it has 4 eggs in that nest, and the nest was in that neem tree. The pigeon was like this, it was doing quick sound or quack sound, and they have to enact how it is sounding, how it was behaving, how it was founded, the food, and everything is to be explained by the students. Likewise, every team should get the chance. Every team should come in front of all the students. Every student should explain how the birds are nesting, how they are eating, how they are living, what are the features of birds are. So likewise, by doing this, the students has the ability, and students get the situation to understand how the features of birds are, what they are eating, and how they are living. And also it connects us to lessons which we thought with the immediate environment, that is our real life environment, and helps the students to observe the birds in real through this birds watching innovation idea. So this is the innovation idea called bird watching, used in this lesson, flying high. So more like this different types of innovation ideas using in lessons, you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.